You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of this animal family, molluscan class, pronounced in English as either cephalopods, or cephalopods as well. Cephalopod. There are two different pronunciations indeed. Cephalopod or cephalopod. They have, basically the word means that they have feet on their brain, on their head. Cephalo means brain, as cephalic, and pod are feet essentially. So they have feet on their brain, on their head. The octopus, octopi, squids, etc. Cephalopod. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.